Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into the video. So looks like we are going down and down and down. The portfolio is just continuing to get wrecked. In the past day, we are down 3.13%. Past week, 10.47%, and from the peak where we were at 42,000 ish dollars to now, we are down 13.8%, just about under $6,000, which is quite a big dip, mainly due to just the whole market. These past couple days have been going down, especially some of these stocks that we have here, like our top four positions. Palantir was at a peak of about 20 bucks and now it's at 18. Neo was at a peak of almost $16 and now it's just under 15. PayPal was at a peak of 75 bucks at one point, I think, and now it's at 62. And Shopify was at a peak about $70 at one point, and now it's at 57. So just a big downward moves for our top four stocks. Tesla is looking very interesting to me. I would like to see it drop a little bit more, and I'll probably add one share. Meta, honestly, I think I might, if I buy one Tesla share, I will buy one Meta share, just to slowly bring up our equity in each one. Obviously, I think Meta will be a $400+ stock, so even right now, if I buy it right now, it'll go up about 30-ish%, which is pretty good, and it will continue to go up in the long term, I believe. Tesla, I believe Tesla might drop some more. I would like to see Tesla low 200s, if we can get Tesla to low 200s, and if it does recover from there to all-time highs, I believe we can see a 100% gain, because Tesla was a $400+ stock, and if it continues to grow and execute, it will go back up to that point and further beyond. So I do believe that buying Tesla under 250, around 200, really good. Amazon was the only one that did pretty well because of their earnings, and man, I still think Amazon's a pretty good buy right now. I don't have that many shares of Amazon. I would like to actually get this one up as well. I just need to get all three of these big boys, Tesla, Meta, and Amazon, up higher, because mostly the top four positions that I have, super high risk. This is like a higher risk portfolio that I have here. If these babies perform very well, my top four positions, if we can see Shopify perform like how it has done in the past year to date, and it continues to grow, I'm saying these positions will propel us past 50K, 60K, 70K easily. And Neo, even though today was a pretty bad day, or this week has been pretty bad, Neo is still kind of holding on. I do believe Neo could potentially hit 20 bucks now. It all depends on the next deliveries. I've been seeing that we might actually hit 20,000 again in deliveries. I would like to see anything over 15,000. If we can continue to see over 15,000, 15 to 20,000, if not more, I'll be super happy. But if we can see 20K plus deliveries from now on from Neo, I think Neo will have another leg up to 20 plus, and it will probably stay there, which is very, very nice. That's what I really want to see. If that can happen, we can see Neo 20 plus easily, and that will push the portfolio up quite a bit, because if we can hit 20 plus, we'll be closer and closer to going to our average cost of $36. I mean, I think it will take a little while for us to get it close to that, but I know in the long term we'll probably hit 36 plus and go way further, maybe 50, 60, 70, as long as Neo can continue to grow. And if once that sub brand goes crazy, we might see a way bigger number. And Shopify, I think Shopify will continue to slowly take up how it's been doing. I think it will just continue to slowly go up. I think it's just a little bit of a healthy correction right now. I think it'll probably go down to in the like low $57, and it'll slowly start trending back up as long as the whole market doesn't sell off like if it was a recession and the whole market starts to sell off, then that will totally change everything up. But if there's no recession and the market just continues to do what it's been doing, I think Shopify will probably trend to low 57s, maybe even 56. Stay there for a little while and slowly go back up to where it was before $70, and maybe go up a little bit more and do the same thing how it's been doing. You see, like, it goes up crazy, then it goes back down a little bit, then it trends up, and it goes up crazy, then it trends up a little bit, then goes down. So now we need to start to trend up and then go crazy again with Shopify. PayPal, look at that. PayPal 62, we're actually down a little bit on this position. I kind of built out a position already. I don't know if I would like to add some more unless PayPal goes to like mid 50s, another 10% down, then maybe I'll be interested in buying some more. But honestly, I'm more interested in buying Tesla, Meta, and Amazon more, just to rebalance the portfolio, because right now my portfolio is too risky right now. Like my portfolio top heavy. It's too top heavy, right? Shopify, PayPal, and these babies right here, super risky. Except for PayPal's not really that risky. I don't think PayPal can go down as much as Shopify or Neo. And also Palantir has its earnings on Monday, so there's that. So we might see a big move up or down with Palantir. We might see Palantir go back down to the $15 mark, I think. 15, or it can go up past 20, maybe $22, $23. We'll see that on Monday. And Neo right now, Neo is, of course, it's going parabolic, right? It's skyrocket. I don't know if we're gonna go back down with Neo. You never know with Neo, right? But with all this good news, we might see it continue to go up. Like I said, next month, August, deliveries is gonna be big. It's gonna be a big thing. I think we might see 20K. If we see 20K plus again, I'm saying we're gonna move up to $20+ easily. And then earnings, of course. But with these two deliveries, I don't think that would count to the earnings. These 2 months for delivery won't count for the earnings. We have to see for the next earnings report to see the actual, if we can see how much of a big difference those 20K deliveries go to getting closer to profitability, right? So that's gonna be a big, not this earnings, but the next earnings will be big for Neo. And yeah, PayPal, once they announce their CEO, I'm thinking this baby's gonna go up to $80+ very fast, very, very, very fast. But we were starting to see a nice trend, and then boom, out of nowhere, another pretty big drop. Will we go lower than $59? Probably not, but yeah. That's the little quick update, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.